Do you want to know how you can sign up for your Jenni AI account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Jenni AI. Go ahead and go to the search bar and search for Jenni AI sign up. Scroll a bit down and click on this link over here. You can see that this is the official page of Jenni. Go ahead and click Start Writing. And you can see this is the sign up page where you can sign up using your email address. So in order for you to use your email address, go ahead and write down your full name, your email address, and write down a password. Click Create Account, and you can create an account using your email address. But if you want to skip all of these and want to sign up using Google, just go ahead and click on this link. Make sure that you do have a Google account. Choose your Google account once this page loads up, and then click Continue to sign in to this app, which is called Jenni AI. In a while, you can notice that you have now signed up for Jenni AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.